If your CapCut template is not showing, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue, especially when the desktop app was installed from the Microsoft Store or the Apple App Store, when your region is causing restrictions, or when cached app data is preventing templates from loading properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get the Templates tab back and how to use a workaround if the desktop app still refuses to cooperate. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most important fix, reinstalling CapCut using the official web installer. A lot of people download CapCut from the Microsoft Store or the Apple App Store because it seems easier, but sometimes those versions are limited and can strip out certain features, including template access, so start by completely uninstalling your current desktop app. Make sure it is fully removed from your computer before moving on. After that, open your browser and go directly to the official CapCut website. From there, download the standalone desktop version installer from the homepage and install that version instead. This version is much more likely to include the full template functionality you need. Once the installation is complete, open CapCut again and check whether the Templates tab appears in the left sidebar. If template is still or not showing, the next thing to try is routing your connection through a VPN. Sometimes CapCut may not be loading templates because of your IP address or geographic location, even if everything else looks fine. So completely close CapCut on your computer before doing anything else. Then open a reliable VPN provider such as NordVPN or another trusted service. Set your server location to a supported region like the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom. Once the VPN is active and connected, launch CapCut again while the VPN is still running. In many cases, this is enough to make the Templates tab appear on the left side menu. If it works, that means the issue was likely related to regional access. Now, if you still can't see templates, the next fix is to clear your local app cache. Over time, CapCut can store corrupted temporary data, and that broken cache can stop online assets like templates from loading correctly. To do this inside CapCut Desktop, click the Settings icon, usually shown as a hex or gear style icon. Then open Settings and go to the Project tab. Look for the cache size section and you should see a trash can icon or a clear cache button. Click that to remove the stored cache data. After clearing it, restart CapCut and check the interface again. This simple step often refreshes the app and brings missing features back into view. If none of those fixes solve it, there is still one more great option, using the CapCut Web Editor. This is a very useful workaround if the desktop client is still failing because of hardware issues or other configuration blocks. Open your browser and go straight to the CapCut Web Editor. Sign in with your account profile, and once you are inside, look at the left toolbar. You should see templates there ready to use directly in your browser. This method can be a lifesaver when the desktop app is giving you problems because it lets you access template features without depending on the local installation. So to quickly recap, if your CapCut template is not showing, try reinstalling the official desktop version, then test a VPN region change, clear the app cache, and if needed, switch to the CapCut Web Editor as a backup. One of these fixes usually gets things working again. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.